What's up YouTube, and welcome to A Dog's Life. Today, I'm taking out my float tube for the first time. Let's see. Maiden voyage, YouTube. Floating. It's different. Tap my feet a little bit. Too much of a gangster lean. That's different. Look at the sea lion right here. Hey, guy.
That's Wilbur.
That one? Nice. Here you got a fish. You got a stroker.
Somewhere to keep.
That one? You good? Burger? I got a ghost. First one. Yeah. That's white sea bass. Yeah, white sea bass. I didn't catch any more fish, and the wind picked up. It was getting too hard to fight the current, so I headed back to the launch ramp to call it a day. But once I got to the ramp, I wasn't as graceful and smooth as I would have liked. I got out of my tube, then it started floating away, and I tried to rush it and grab it, and the issue was, walking or rushing a flipperthon is impossible. And with me being exhausted, that didn't help at all. So I tripped and fell, then I fell again, and yep, I fell a third time too. Alright, now that we're past all the bloopers, I can talk about my experience on the float tube. First up, I had a blast. I love being in the water and being able to fish spots I can't normally fish from land, but I could also fish the regular spots and at a different angle, so that was a lot of fun. Getting around on a float tube is pretty slow, but it will force you to fish more spots that you pass by normally on the way to a spot. It was a fun, beautiful day, and I can't wait for the next float tube adventure. Where should I take it next? And have you ever gone fishing from a float tube before? I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button down below, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Peace.